Welcome to the Little Wood House. Today we're going to be building a bridge for a bridging up ceremony for Girl Scouts. I recently found out that my sister's Girl Scout troop was going to be having a ceremony and we needed a bridge. So together we constructed this. Have fun watching. The palette we chose was a little rough around the edges, so I asked my husband if he would sand it down for me while I was at work. He used our orbital sander for the outside and a drill-powered wired wheel for the inside. I then gave the top of the palette a nice coating of white paint to cover up any of that discoloration. I next asked my mom to come up with a few designs for the bridge. She did this with her computer and created a stencil that we were able to cut out with the silhouette. And during that time, my sister and I focused on designing the pylons, or for us regular folks, those big poles on a bridge. For this area, we decided to use some 2-inch PVC pipe. Because of its lightweight, it's inexpensive and easy to cut. And in our case, we also needed it to be removable for travel and storage. So we measured out 6 locations across the palette, and using a jigsaw, we carefully cut some tight-fitting holes at each location. This was my first time ever using a jigsaw, and to be honest, it was pretty easy and painless. The PVC was then cut into 6 sections. 2 at 3 feet, which will be those center poles, and 4 at 2.5 feet, to create the sloping look towards the ends of a bridge. At the top of each pipe, we needed a 1/2-inch hole to allow us to string up some cable, or some rope in my case, for this bridge. I used 3 separate bits to step up the sizing of the hole to help control its location and prevent cracking at the pipe. It then began to get dark, so we moved everything inside to start on our lettering. Test fitting each of the words allowed us to find the best location to adhere our stencils to the top of this palette. This allowed us to carefully paint each of the letters onto the palette without concern for spacing or alignment. And the end result was beautiful, and great time spent singing Disney songs with my sister. We then put the poles back in place and strung the rope through, making sure there were knots at each side for strength. And our creation was finished. Alright, so it's a wrap. This is our crossing over or bridging up bridge for Girl Scouts. It's been a pleasure working on it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. My favorite part is that I got to work on it with my sister. So I hope you find something that you can make for somebody too in your community, and maybe you have a Girl Scout troop who could use a bridge. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can watch us build more things for our community and the people we love. Thanks and have fun building!